Hello and welcome to the iGameOver channel. In this last part of a small episode, we're going to learn how to install a RAM memory. What is RAM memory? RAM is a random access memory that sort of stores your data finitely, right? So when you turn off your computer, the data disappears. But it's a very fast memory, so there's a trade-off. Saying that, the best thing to do is to just jump right into the course itself and see how to install a RAM memory for yourself. The memory we're going to be using is a 16 gigabytes of Corsair DDR4 rated at 2400 megahertz. The first thing to take note of before you install RAM is that there are two parts of it, shorter and longer. Look at this. This part matches this part. Now that you know that, align the RAM using that notch and press in the RAM stick into the slot until you hear the latches at both ends audibly click. And voila, you are done. Congratulations. So what do you think? Difficult? I don't think so. Yeah, it's installing RAM memory is a quick work. If you know how to do it and what to do, then it's just quite like that, isn't it? Anyway, this is the last small part, and in the next part of that course, which will be also the last part of the course, we're going to do a big video where we go from start to finish in a succession, and you can see all those things that you have learned in the small videos here, in the small parts that are detailed. You'll be able to see how to put them together, what comes after what do you start with, and how to build your own computer from scratch to finish. Okay, so until the next time, toodaloo, peace.